my name is Aifa Asya. I am from class 10. Today I am going to explain a poster about how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In the middle of the poster, there is a picture of a heart which shows that health depends on our daily habits. This poster shows 4 ways to live a healthy life. 1. Regular exercise to keep body strong and healthy. 2. Reduce sugar because too much sugar can cause diseases. 3. Eat vegetables, fruit, and protein to get vitamin and energy. 4. Avoid smoking and alcohol because they damage body organs. Conclusion: by applying these 4 habits, our body will become healthier and protected from diseases. Thank you.